This particular work is a part of a subject called World Art Appreciation, and in which we cover art movements over the centuries, right from cave art to postmodern. This of course is a reflection on Indian and Pakistan rural popular art, which they paint on trucks. They paint very simplistic imagery and very bright colors, and being inspired from there, the students have created lifestyle products which have been actually discarded. They bought them from the kabadiwala, brought them and recycled them into decorative products or even products for use. So this is what the USP of this is. The book is part of a subject called Idea Generation, in which the children are supposed to learn idea generation techniques and how to create lifestyle products or any other generation of an idea for a design situation. Here the inspiration is from a store which is regularly running called Pylons. Now their imagery is based on American pop art. The students here have, we've kind of play acted a situation in which they were part of a design agency, and Pylons has placed an order on them to create lamps made out of bottles. So these are the designs that they came up with, which is similar to what Pylons is doing, but yet with a difference. So they researched art movements like pop art, psychedelic art, even Bauhaus for that matter, with the minimal lines and flat colors, and various others. Some of them of course even went into African tribal art and things like that, and came up with these designs. So we did create design sheets and then got onto it with the product.
Month of February, we got a project where we have to visit Agra and visit Taj Mahal over there, and we have to be inspired from the motifs which are engraved on Taj Mahal or on the Jali work, and then we had to create a product out of it. So I created this jacket inspired from the motif which was engraved on the Taj works.
Our library is also having Delnet, which is online collection of journals. Our students can refer to them for their research work.
We've had fun. At the same time, we've struggled, doing submissions and all. It's been really great. We've done so much group work and individual work, and we've got both positives and negatives. I mean, the teachers have been critical. At the same time, they've been really supportive of us.
Yes, they ought to.
And I know I've had a great year.
My experience in IIM has been extremely wonderful, and I've got a lot of friends and I've done a lot of work, and I'm not going to forget this because this is just going to help me in the next few years of my life.
By coming to this college, I learned how to manage time still. I mean, I'm still struggling it, but I mean, the discipline and the time management is being learned by here, and the variety of stuff being done, which is not being done I've never done it, that I've been experiencing it, that's all, and it's a very good experience.
And yeah, one more thing, friends were really amazing, had a really great time with all of them. Without you guys, this was not exactly that good and possible. So thank you so much. The best part about this college was the faculty. I really like Shivani ma'am because firstly she really helped me out in many things. She helped me out in developing my own artistic skills. And yeah, with many faculties I came across many mediums of coloring. Finally, after completion of this 1 year, I mastered many other skills. Thank you.
What did you like, Kriti? What did you like?
From everything, of course.
Okay, and what have you what have you learned and what have you loved the most about the college?
Now, loved the most is the faculty. Learned is the drawing skills, painting. I was very bad at painting. I started painting.
Still you.
Yeah.
I think someone from each team coming in and out.
Really
want to participate since it was a great message. And I'm a woman who I believe I need, you should be always strong in your head.